Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start as an administrator because repair needs elevated access. First, back up the affected profile folder to prevent data loss. Once backed up, open Regedit and go to the profile list key. This holds SIDs for each user. You're looking for a SID with back or a duplicate entry. If you see back, that usually means Windows couldn't load the profile and created a temporary one. Don't delete anything yet. Take notes and proceed to the next step carefully. Now you'll edit the registry values to point Windows to the real profile. If an SID ends with back and another identical SID exists, rename the non. Back to, ba remove, back from the real one, then rename. Ba to, back, that swap restores the correct key. Change ref count and state to 0 to mark the profile as usable. After that, verify NTFS permissions on C, /users /profile name. Make sure administrators and reboot and sign in to confirm the profile loads. You should get your usual desktop instead of a temporary profile. If Windows still won't load it, create a new local admin user and migrate documents, desktop, and necessary app data files from the backup to the new profile to recover data. If problems persist, open Event Viewer for user profile service errors and revert your registry backup before retrying changes. If you see permission errors, reset ACLs with iCackles and then test logging in again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.